Hi, my name is Bernhard Langer, and I've been a professional golfer for many years on various PGA tours around the world. And I've been married for 25 years now, and as so many other couples all over the planet, we had lots of marriage problems. My wife is American, I'm German, different cultures, different issues. I travel a bit, and we just had lots of issues. We knew there was love there, but we didn't know how to deal with the small issues and the big issues. And about 5 years ago, we were truly on the edge. We were just had no clue how to get off this. It was one argument after another, and just not a very friendly environment in the home. And so I called my mentor, Larry Moody, who is the chaplain on the PGA Tour, and he said, Bernhard, I just came across a new book. It is called Love and Respect, and you need to read this, and Vicky needs to read it too. We were fascinated by the message, by the material. It was totally different to anything we had heard before. And our relationship changed from day one, and it got better. And my wife learned to respect me more, and I learned to love her more the way she needed to be loved, not the way I thought I ought to love her. The bottom line is we're spinning on this crazy cycle. It's often little things that tick us off, and we don't know how to get off the crazy cycle, how to resolve the issues. That's exactly what love and respect can help you with. I do not endorse this because of monetary reasons or anything. I don't get anything. I'm here because I feel for marriages and for relationships. I want them to be better and to be godly centered and to stick together, work this out. And this message of love and respect will help you to do that.